Good day, children. We continue with mineral based industries. Let's recapitulate. We had already completed importance of mineral based industry, iron and steel industry, in which we have done Tata Iron and Steel as well as the Rourkela Steel Plant. Today we will do petrochemical and electronic industry in India with their importance. What are petrochemicals? These are important organic chemicals derived from petroleum products, LPG and coal. What are the important factors responsible for the location of petrochemical industry? This industry is normally located near an oil refinery which can supply its basic raw material like naphtha, ethylene, benzene. These chemicals are used for manufacturing a large variety of articles such as synthetic fibers, synthetic rubbers, ferrous and non-ferrous metals and plastics, dyes, drugs and pharmaceutical products. Petrochemical products are widely used today in our domestic, industrial and agricultural fields. In particular, this industry produces fertilizers, insecticides, resins, adhesive, plastic sheets, tires, tubes, paints, furniture coverings for household items. Carbon black is used in printing inks, paints, carbon paper, etc. What are the advantages of petrochemical products? These are cost effective, economically stable as they are produced on a mass scale. Its raw material is easily available as it is not dependent on agricultural raw material. Like in the case of jute bags, these are being replaced by the polythene bags. Therefore, the traditional raw material like wood, glass, metals are also being replaced by the petrochemical products because of their easy availability as well as they are cost effective also. Let me give you some examples like the steel pipes being replaced by PVC, steel utensils by plastic containers, the natural rubber by synthetic rubber, etc. Where are these petrochemical units situated in our country? Like the Bonaigaon Petrochemicals Limited is in Assam, the Indian Petrochemical Corporation Limited at Jawaharnagar near Vadodara, and Haldia Petrochemicals Limited in West Bengal. The Reliance Industries is located at Hazaria in Gujarat are the examples of some petrochemical units. Next is electronic industry. The electronics industry developed in India in the 1950s. It began with radio manufacturing, but at present it has diversified into new areas like space exploration, defense equipments, medical diagnosis, communication, information technology, computer systems, etc. Bangalore is the largest center of electronic goods production and is rightly termed as the electronic capital of India with a view to develop broadcasting and telecommunications. The Indian telephone industries, the first common undertaking was set up after the independence in the year 1950, and Bangalore is also known as the Silicon Valley of India due to the large number of information technology companies located here. Many multinational corporations and computer hardware as well as software giants have operations in Bangalore. What are the favorable factors responsible for the development of software industry in Bangalore? They are the pleasant and comfortable climate to allow the efficient working for the workers, readily available world-class information technology infrastructure, progressive government policies in this area, Center for International Conferences and various workshops, innovative global meets held by various companies, as well as Hyderabad is another major software industry center in Telangana. Hyderabad is a center of several IT industries, and that is why it is also called an high-tech city. The companies set up there include the Amazon, IBM, Infosys, Microsoft, Oracle, Wipro Technologies, etc. And the growth of the software industry is there in both the Bangalore and the Hyderabad, and the other centers for software technology industries or the parks are at Noida, Mumbai, Pune, Gandhinagar, Thiruvananthapuram, Chennai are the other centers for the software industry in India. Our space technology is also supported by electronics industry. We have successfully launched indigenously built satellites such as the Apple and INSET series, the Indian Space Research Organization at Bangalore, the Satellite Launching Station at Sriharikota, and the National Remote Sensing Agency at Hyderabad are landmarks in space technology. Remote sensing is a technique to acquire information about objects from the measurements made from a distance in space without any contact with the object. India is among the 6 nations of the world to possesses the capability to launch satellites into geosynchronous transfer orbit, and ISRO had developed 2 rockets. Children, you will find out the name of the 2 rockets. With this, we have completed the mineral based industry chapter. I hope you have understood this chapter. I have also attached the worksheet. Please complete this worksheet and join tomorrow's interactive class. Till then, goodbye children. Thank you and God bless you all.